This morning we're gonna try with WMA 59 0.9 plus vertical shift and minus 0.9 WMA. Vertical shift. Sorry, 50, they're both 50, okay? Alright, while I was talking here was a trade, but let's wait for another one. No trade for now. We just said we're gonna, when it goes above or below, and only first signal. Alright, we're waiting for a long signal. We'll be right here. Alright. Well, I was under a couple of ticks. I was right here, but if it doesn't happen, doesn't happen. Okay. But it's going to be only a couple of ticks under the bar. Not now, avoid, no signal. The first one, because I was late, worked out. Alright, markets are now long for now. Alright, well, that's happening. Please, under the video, there is going to be a risk disclosure. Do not trade with money you cannot lose, afford. It's very dangerous. Please take a look and read this. It's also under the video. Alright. We just didn't have any, because of me being late, we didn't have opportunity. Alright, we are in the green zone, no short trade, no trade over here. Okay, we even didn't have a trade developed. Nobody knows it would pull out this much. The stop is 15 ticks. Or if white comes below, whatever first happens. White is EM8. Alright, we're looking, no long trade. We are having this magenta color right in for, that's a big resistance. And as you can see, it's acting as a big resistance, and plus it's flat. Well, I don't know. I have an MQ. It's the same. It's the same stuff. NQ. And as you can see in the upper corner, the Quant007 moving median. We are not having any trades for now. You can see light blue, it's acting as a support. This one as resistance. All right, we're gonna be looking pretty soon for a long trade. Now we're gonna be looking for a long trade. We're in trade. All right, we're out. So we lost 15 ticks. 1-0 for them. Short trade. We're waiting for short trade. I'm gonna write down. We're waiting for short trade, so one for them. All right, we are in the trade down. All right, we are out. So that would bring us the trade, and we are out 4 points. That's a 12 ticks. So we lost 15 first one. Second was for us. We got 16. That's a 16. I'm sorry. So we are +1. We got 4 points +1. Okay, 1-1 in trades. We are +1 tick. No trade. And now we are looking for a long one. Just right here. All right, we're in the trade. Right here we are in the trade. 94.75. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We are only 10 ticks down. So we're not out. Okay, let it run with 2 ticks above. We were in here, we are right here. Still in trade, out. So 96 to 405, that's a 9 points. That's a 36 ticks. +1. The 37 ticks in plus. That's a 3-1 for us in the trades. We have 37 ticks in the trade. No trade. That's what I'm saying, 15 ticks. We need a stop. Because lately they're just going a little bit bigger moves. So there would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So we saved by 2 ticks. There's another good one that just happened, but I didn't like this. This was where we made our profit, and we already went once. Okay, no trade. It's in a mid area. That means market sideways. Because with these settings we have more opportunities in trading. We'd rather wait for it to be in the green zone unless it develops really nicely, so then we'll go. Okay, we don't like this. Look, it's that even if it develops, it's a lower high. As you can see, 13, 14, 15, so that's what I'm saying. This was a lower high, so there was no trade. You can see lower high, even we have lower lows. That's why I'm using settings on the bars. These bars are 16, 4, 2 on Unirenko. All right, this is not what market still can go up. We are in uptrend still. Look at the bottom here, higher, low, higher high, and this is still higher low. If this turns around, this is still higher low. All right, let's see. Well, now it broke it, so maybe it's comparing itself to this one all the way in the bottom. No trades, no short trade. Alright, with 10 minutes in the trading, we have plus 37 ticks. And this week we already have 170 in profit. Alright, markets are so far still there long. The bottom would be here. But the overnight they went low, but the bottom is here. We're still in the long markets. Trying to find the bottom. We'll avoid this trade, though it's not bad, but still we'll avoid it. We don't need this. It's squeezing itself. It's in a band. You can see the price is in a band now, going sideways. So we'll just avoid it. We are already 37 ticks in profit per contract. That's 185 per contract. And as you can see, prices in between those zones, or between blue and support over here. It's making higher lows over here. It's all the way back here is bottom, then higher low, and now it broke that. But still, the back it's higher low. But now they're gonna explode in some way. As you can see, it's squeezing between these two, most likely up in a long trend, just because this white blue is above magenta channel. As you can see, also, yeah, you got to try different channels. Either is EMA or WMA. And I'm getting you an update on this, so you can have more choices. Should be ready by Monday, maybe even tomorrow. We'll see. I'll make a video. Three trades this morning, plus 37 ticks. No trade. That may come even a little bit down all the way to support zone, either here or here. See? They're likely to touch upper line or go a little bit through the bottom if they go like that. And then bounce, but we're not gonna take it. We are already 37 ticks in profit. If you want more trades, you got to make these channels quicker. So while we change this more, we change this channel moving median this morning, no trade. But you're gonna have much more trades then, but still profitable should be. Alright, we're developing support in this magenta zone, but not trusting just because of these big moves. And these big moves mean the market is changing the trend. Rather wait for some good setup. Okay, it's bouncing. We're gonna look for a long setup. If it comes now and comes somewhere here, it needs to close one more bar up. Okay, now we're gonna look. We're waiting for a long trade just because of the support over here. And the blue one is getting above magenta, the support zone. Okay, we're waiting here. 95, 50. Can we get it? Not yet. The markets are strong there. That was a nice bounce, but we didn't get the trade, so patience. No short trade for now. Same top. Are they gonna break it? Yep, they just broke it. 3 trades so far. I mean 4. Three to 1 for us, 37 ticks. I believe it's 4 trades, but 3 to 1 for us. But we are 37 ticks in profit. And this is what I'm saying, whenever you get these big moves like that, means change your market of direction. Look on the bottom, same for the tops. We got higher lows. And went on. Okay, in the first 10 minutes we made 37 ticks, so that's very good. And it was very quick market. As you can see, it's respecting this light blue line. It's a linear regression, 159. And you can see on these red over here and green, these areas, they also act as a support resistance lines. See, they hit this bottom green, there was a resistance. Now they're going to upper one. No trade. Last 4 days, 170 ticks, plus 170 ticks in profit, and today 37. I believe it was about 35 trades. First day we were taking every signal, every trade. So that's why there was a lot. There was 13. Yesterday was 9. No trade. I believe market's gonna touch upper area of green zone. Still didn't. This would be perfect trade if it went down to blue line over right here where my mouse is. If it went down here, that would be perfect trade. Just went above, pull back down here. There's a lot of support. And then if you continue, that would be perfect trade. Okay, we even didn't touch upper green zone. We're having pullback. This could be pullback over here. So the resistance zone, support. As you can see, there's reaction. So I still think they're going up here. They never touched it. That's what they do sometimes. They just pull back. We are still, markets are in the upper uptrend. See right here, still higher low. Okay, here it's a 90% about for this move. From here, from the bottom to here, I turned about, and then there was reaction, but now they're breaking that again. See, there's a lot of support here. That's why there's all this reaction until they break it. How far, we'll see. If you would risk, you would buy it now for long. But I'm not risking. With, of course, 15 tick stop. That's likely what that stop needs. And you would be still in the game. And you would be in profit now. But we're not gonna take that trade. We are half hour into session, trading session. We are plus 37 ticks. And we have, I believe, 4 trades, but we are 3-1 plus 37 ticks. Okay, they're breaking. Is this gonna be comparing to this one, to this bottom they're pulling back to somewhere here, or even see how straight it is, just straight down? Is that what's gonna be? And then they're gonna go long. Look at this pullback. Is that what's happening? We are still long. Light blue line is above magenta. This could be just a bigger pullback. But it's a nice size. Okay, so 32 minutes into a trading session, we took 4 trades. We got 3 in our favor, 1 against us, plus 37 ticks. We have 15 tick stop on every trade. Using this morning WMA moving average. So for this week we are in plus 207 ticks. Okay, markets are trying to make a bottom over here. As you can see, big pullback. But comparing to this bottom here, we are up. We're still long until we are proven different. Markets are short for now. There was a nice trade here, but we didn't want to take it just because what market is doing. We could have pull out 4 points, but we're gonna be choosy. No trade. No trade. Market's trying again to make a bottom. There's another quick 4 points, but we didn't take it just because what price is saying. Okay, this could be a resistance area, as you can see over here. It's getting flat. They need to break through it to go long. Okay, but they're lower than this high over here. For now, they're in uptrend. Okay, this trend line is broken. And now we are looking at this one. There's large support in this area, 9400. As you can see, both moving medians are together. I know they wanna go and touch this area here and maybe go a couple 3 bars through it. So we can, if it comes to the bottom, magenta, we can take that trade. We are 37 ticks in profit, so we can risk 15. Okay, is it gonna touch us? Needs to touch for 9400. Didn't touch yet. Okay, right there. Did touch? Not yet. Alright, well, we didn't get into the trade yet. But the price touched 9400. There we go. If price comes back, it's gonna touch this upper line, 94.0150 for now. And we'll take the trade. So that means the price needs to go 94.01 and a quarter. No, which is just perfectly fine. We are still 37 ticks in profit. I thought we'll go one tick under here on the bar magenta line. That's why I put on the 9400. But sometime we got to raise a tick above just to make sure we get into the trade. Hey, but not each one we're gonna get, so it's all fine. But there they go for upper line of the zone, as I expected. We were short over here for 3 ticks, 4 ticks to get into the trade, which is fine, let them go. Okay, we don't need this here. These two lines, linear regression, the same markets are up in a trend. Overall trend is up, long. Made a nice support. This linear regression 159 made a nice support over here. They do a lot of times like this. They'll make bottom and just run. But I didn't want to risk over here. And we were short for a tick over here and for 4 ticks over here. Which all 3 trades were good. But we didn't take them, so no count. And yes, I'm getting new chair. I'm just waiting for delivery. No trade. Let me just make this price change. And we'll make this one a price change too. Okay. You can see a little bit better. Where's bouncing in real time? Well, we have 45 minutes in the session. No trade over here. We had 4 trades, 3 to 1 for in our favor, plus 37 ticks. We made quick 4 trades in the first few minutes, I believe, first 10 minutes. We missed a couple of trades over here. We didn't want to take this one, just was too much risk. But again, when we are risking 15 ticks, so say we just wanted, I would go just to here and get out to get 49, 50 ticks. So we're talking about 3 times more. That's what we're looking for. At least double. Yeah, it's stuck in a support zone. want the markets to take this white EM8 across the yellow pullback, couple of ticks on the bottom yellow moving median, and then go up and touch up there. That'll be one more good trade. So let's see what's going to develop. If they're going to go up, this will be high low. As you can see, high lows. And this one is still even. So that's why we're having resistance here. Alright, there you go. That was in a tick. Okay. Let's couple it to 3 more bars up, and then we want to pull back. Not before that. Alright, we want to pull back to here. This will be our trade, the 9406. Alright, we just touched our price. Just touched our price. That means we are not in trade. It needs to go one through. Alright, well, we didn't get it. That's the third trade in a row that we didn't get it for a tick, or what was one couple, then one tick, and two were in one was 3. But there you go. That's right. If we miss the trades, we're not gonna chase the markets. But I know they're going for upper part of the green zone. We are in the green zone. They were trying before, they didn't make it. Plus we are having, you see, higher lows from here. Actually, wherever this red zone, this was a low. Then we got a high low here, high low here, high lows here. And you can see they're just going. This one was same, and now they're going. Usually they'll go a couple of 3 bars above, and then they'll pull back. But there's always, there's resistance around this area. There's. And there's that. That's what they like to do. Don't need more lines on a chart. This is more than enough. Well, we are 49 minutes, 50 minutes in a trading session. Most of the expected signals worked out. We made only 4 trades today. 3 were good, 1 was against us, but we are still plus 37 in profit. We made 170 last 4 days. There they go. 170 ticks last 4 days. So that makes us 207. I believe we made close to 40 trades. So let's just round 40. Doesn't matter, that's a 200. That would be, let me just calculate over here, that would be 200 for, say, broker. And we had, as I said, 207 times 5. That's 1,035. Let's just round that to 200. 835 per contract. It's a profit this week, but there was much more, but I'm just being conservative. I didn't want to, because sometime I wouldn't call where we're going to get out, and they would just go past those areas. So I just was taking, just be conservative. From now on, I'll be calling where we're gonna get out to, which I did last couple of days. But we have $835 just in Nasdaq per contract this week. Well, that will be for today. Thank you for being with us. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.